regular walking along. Had to walk up to the store up in Severa, so it's about 15 minutes walk. So I figured I'd take it with me and walk around and see on a road where we have never walked before. So let's go. Well, way back there we have our main entrance in, and it's a guarded area, and you know, sometimes they don't stop people, sometimes they don't, but that's the way they rule here. It is intermittent security, I guess, but I feel safe here. It's a nice community. I haven't met anybody who is not nice inside, so that's a plus. Beautiful day, and walking into the sun here, so I hope you still can see it. But you know, way up there you have MacArthur Highway, I guess. And constant music they play. Some copyright violations can be happening when you're doing that, so you might have to cut it out. But anyway, up there you can see the traffic going back and forth. That's MacArthur Highway, just south of the Tarlac province border, and that's how far north we moved. We moved about 10 kilometers, which is about 6.5, 7 miles away from Mabalacat and Angeles City. I would say it's about 8 miles or so from Angeles, but it's a pretty decent community. And we have been acclimatized, what do you say there? Acclimated into the community, and we enjoy it there. And the plus for that was plus just for that is that the cost of living up here is way very much lower than living inside Mabalacat city, downtown and all that. So here we got the Barangay Tabun Barangay Hall, and they have a security hall here, or speed security, and this is where we go when we need to talk to some barangay officials. But I'm going to go down this way. This goes parallel with a little motorcycle shop. Little motorcycle shop, huh? Alright. Again, music. They might not like it, but that's the way it is here. This is part of I think this is part of what they call phase 1. The streets are pretty nice. And this street here is really nice. So, and people keep up with their properties. The one thing though, like this house here, doesn't look like they have painted it, and sometimes I'm wondering why they don't put at least a sealer and the paint on it. They would last longer. All right, so here apparently we have, all right, it's an authorized Coca-Cola San distributor, I guess, because they sure does have a lot of bottles here, a lot of it, all the way back here. See it. So I think this is where the stores are going to get their stuff. It's a nice walk here, surprisingly. You know, this goes parallel, like I said, up to MacArthur, and there is an entrance point out of here right around the jeepney station in Severa. So that's what we're gonna do. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you? Good?
It's okay.
Right? It's okay, he said. It's okay, he says. Alright, so then we'll see. See if I'm finding the road here. I think there should be a road here that connects and takes you out to the, I don't know if that's back down here or what. I don't think it's there though. So I might have to go down here and go around these properties. I wonder what this was at one point, or planned to be. Well, at some point. That's strange. I thought I looked on the map and it looks like you can walk through there, but I guess you can't. So we'll walk down here and see where we get. I'm sure at some point we can walk out here. Might have to walk. Hello, how are you? The kids are very friendly and a little shy sometimes. Hello. Yeah, I think maybe on the other side of this there is a road. Yeah, let's walk here. Can you? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll figure it out. I think this might be the road here. Not this one. Well, MacArthur is up there, so let's walk over to this road here, because I think this is the road that takes you into the jeepney station. I've gone it once with a trike, and he came in a little different route, but I decided to walk my own route. That's what you get when you do it. All right. Yep, that's exactly what it is. It's right up there, not very far. Man, the sun is biting us today. All right, so they're still burning their garbage by the streets, all that kind of stuff. And there's plenty of Plenty of cell towers here, for sure. All over the place. And I think they even have put up a 5G tower around here somewhere. I haven't been able to connect to it, but alright. Yep, that's it. So we're up on MacArthur Highway. And here you have all kinds of business activities. Some canteens, some here, and this is where the jeepneys are leaving from Mabalacat, Severa, and goes all the way to Astro Park. Alright, PNP coming. What's going on? That's interesting. So I'm going to go down this road. But anyway, beautiful little hills in the background. I couldn't say they're mountains, but they're hills. And this road is busy today. That's amazing. Lechon manok. We have a few places of that. I just told Janice that I'm kind of missing the ability we had in Dao, because we had ladies there every morning to put out fresh food, to cook, and, you know, you go and get some of that food and you pay like 50 pesos. But here it's different. All right, I'm gonna try to cross the street here. You gotta be careful. But anyway, a lot of commerce going around on the street, and you know, that's how people here are making their living. And then back in here, back in this area, you have the Severa market. We go there once in a while and get the fresh stuff, fish, food, fruit, meats, and other things in the morning. I don't like to go there in the afternoon, knowing that it's been sitting out all day, but that's the way it is. And but the community here, you know, both of these communities, both Tabun and Severa. Severa was kind of going down for a long period of time, until a couple of years ago, when the new owners came in and took over this, because of all the scandals that had been surrounding Severa and the developer and all that. I haven't followed that, how it went. I know he was incarcerated for a long time, and what they did, they sold homes twice, 3 times, and a lot of other things. Obviously I haven't verified that, so it could be rumors, but a lot of people for sure didn't get the title of their property they had paid for. So it was a big mess. But the new owners has been doing very well, and I think they have cleaned up this part. But anyway, I'm at the Robinson. That's where I'm heading, to the store, and that will conclude this video for today. I'm going to sign off. Thanks for walking with me, and God bless. We'll see you soon again. Bye-bye.